Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo abranti a oda screen isi wofre no Eric Ejay. Na abrana NDC fo ewo opposition no Eric Ejay a ni komi nyinara Rollins chain. Nani nyinara atotom. And the NDC enya power His Excellency John Dramani Mahama emano appointment no. Eric Ejay, Nikom Rollins chain and any ma to me na fele. Utinum says Sika Banisem. Abra no wo position no brepa papa. Sika Banisem inti Eric Ejay, Ekasa wo radio so TV so as if says Sebio, Ahanomeno, enye juma. Anytime I will be Eric Ejay, I an interview biano or can sim home. And I pay a Lawson TV so a year tanko ni political talk show I hosting every morning biano. They were discussing about unemployment at Ekosu Ghana ha nurses, teachers on one school, out of forms, out school, university funina kahon. I will goof you 1 year jumenye. Nyan people NDC in Kwa. NPP kahon, NDC kahon from a year or man penida daku for ne pencil, ebe pim, and the Ghana ye kase unemployment and just a ebu hanuma, youth no ebrenya semke to akra. And what discussion and an omoya omo friend Eric Ejay. Na Eric Ejay embe to youth in the full. Na ombe show moon crying say indeed. NDC focus on mobile, omo kasa omo be create jobs. Na Ghana youth biaye ye wo krom here ye kan Ghana fo ase bi omo adweno. Bebra adwene fa kwem no omo amfi ye. Enya ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni mugidi say oba be solve Ghana problems. Inti no omo to abade ma no. Na ye beka ya Abra NDC for omo campaign no omo major promise omo de ma Ghana for ne say omo the 24-hour economy ba na 24-hour economy no omo de adwuma just omo be create jobs Ghana youths just emrante enkokra emrewafo just when we school na wotifie nko a obenya adwuma ya within 4 years ye kan ya Ghana for sida omo ante na eno mo bisa Eric Ejay say mo na mo ka say mo be create jobs 24-hour economy no mo de be create jobs na youth na nye biaye na unemployment ne so kwa na ekosra Ghana youth no omo awie university training college na nursing training omo usu inti no eden na mo wo ede efasa asem no ho na mo ka say mo be create jobs inti
Kwame all kind unemployed asem just imagine say obi awie university or tifi na onye adwuma obi awie nursing training college onye adwuma obi awie technical university say ni pa ko ye but some men na Kwame Tanko si otwa ne mobile money a Kwame Tanko twa ya na ate ni lebi ana meboa ene ne ya de so e ma Kwame Tanko ni nipa na onye adwuma Kwame hwe ne bosom bia no ene sa lebi bed na e wo ho ma unemployed person no mampani Mahama eden we ye fi ho ebiem betting tax me I have a principle betting I don't like to do but you who say Ghana mebunu do na na adwuma ye obekọ betting joint no no money source of income almost the they were complaining bitterly say aban untimi increase ejuma bia mai ye kwa kwato ye bet so anya bibi kakra so ye ho a eno so de ye ho to eno so ye se Ghana mabunu na omo ye unemployed ne bo ye ba ye fi ho ebiem na anu ada yare e ba wiase a otini din a na oman bia ho po covid kwa me wiase nyina and I repeat wiase nyina
so now what that so ebo NPP for somo ye beti ase say NPP for mbedi nsem ho moko mo aba mo se mo ba be Ghana and mind you NDC for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama yobi a wa kwa sanso aba into on Ghana situation more than any politician a wo Ghana ha no your meka any politician enye politician bia no wa ba be president o mampeni John Dramani Mahama de wabeye president akọ asanso aba nti esese ohu Ghana fu wonsu yie papa no solve yen problem na de mayen wobisa Eric Ejay say reply of the my youth ne say mo adam mo bodam ye ka say 24-hour economy no ye ba be ye be create jobs na ye ba ye ntimi ye enzo what Eric Ejay say Ghana youth amunya adwumenye e wom say omo promises omo baba mamu adwuma na emom no omo bae no taxes a NPP for ed bae no omo ba omo abescribe taxes no omo abeyi afi ho no automatically omo create jobs amamo until you should shut up shut up ka wano tumna fa wo kwase asem tena baabi na won no mo aba wo mo anya sika nti mo fa mo nsem mu fi NDC fo so na mpesa me catch Eric J say yes NDC fo NPP fo taxes o mu ja honi ena NDC fo omo aba be yi sa taxes na afi won nti so omo catch so omo aba yi taxes na afi wona so omo create jobs automatically dia ye do mo ase yi levy NPP for the buy NDC omo aba be yi afi wo betting tax NPP for the buy NDC aba be yi emissions taxes and I say emissions tax NPP the buy NDC aba be yi afi wo withholding tax on VAT on motor insurance NPP by NDC aba be year fi ho na say NDC fo mo ba mo be yi we fi ho no na mo anfa bi amba anka mo nye hwe eno entrese nka mo create jobs na youth ni nya bi nye but mo yi sa taxes fi ho kra no mo di bi asan so aba be hye ho aba replace and they intimate light koko fo omu nyo market omu koton koko omu nya omu pay nurses teachers omu ntu omu ka enti dem pa na NDC fo mo be ye taxes amu yi fi wo de mo nso mo de abeni growth and sustainability levy mo de aba special import levy NDC fo mo de aba within 1 year yawo energy sector levies mo de aba fishing levy mo de aba inti se NPP food di biaba na mo abescribe e afi ho na se mo asanso di biaba enya draw ana Eric J does it mean say NPP the taxes by mo aba be ye afi ho nti mo create jobs ana enu mponka mo nya hwe but mo so mo di bia hye inti se youth ni e padwuma ya mo solve your problems in mo because mo catch mo say mo ba be create jobs no mo anya bia ye in fact 24-hour economy no same jemfi ye na no ebu egum say enda e betena radio so TV so Felix Ofosu kwachi penin toto si ebedi wachi anajo. I mean you said a whole lot of things amoche se mo ba be create jobs amagana youth no you should create the jobs na munja insem hu na frame radio TV so amudi no and you see I do not blame these politicians especially this NDC phone I do not blame them because Ghana phone no and them call TikTok na NDA I report what TikTok I report be 5 years in the say and you know and no den ni number to what say mo WhatsApp no say opa America ba she's not the one into almost fraud wa and on the page and you see obi asanso akwa create page e de friends and na don kwata ne mba no omo etwa picture bi no group picture no de akwakoto so and odi na ma ato ho so person oba America contact no and ukọ comment section na sia obi a oh hallelujah amen we will come to America omo contact na mess no na ma no ne ni pa kona jo musika omo wi a omo abetena internet ni so esu in free na don kwata oya adwuma e wo ye friend say embassy US embassy meboa nti looking at these people na ye no omo Ghana ha no timi say adwene nya adwumenti ne say omo akwakofa John Dramani Mahama asanso aba enhye da nya problem bi asa John Dramani Mahama his excellency abaye president da 2016 ye dey over 1 million vote in the two no mo se oye mezaya on sanso bra na aban ben no je taxes ese Mahama aban ben e no je taxes e wo Ghana ha ese Mahama ne penso aban ben aban pie ni ho aban ben e no ba obetena so one nurses na teachers adwuma NDC aban John Dramani Mahama ne penso nurses na teachers set na fie demonstration ye also yodwanfu wan fi omo na say ye kasa NDC force omo stabilize dollar no and a cedi na nya hoodin which it is not affecting the economy and now market so a one tade dollar rate no aba fam osisa usika eswate and so enyama boyedin e affect the economy no and there more prices kwa na ekosoro pure pure water na 50 pesos ya da so 50 pesos bottle water na 3 cedis and the bottle water 4 cedis e be 5 cedis prices kwa na ekokosoro so almost stabilize the dollar na chese cedi na nya hodin so yentumi ntade wo kromi ha ena NDC for the campaign omo nye hwe omo fa so embo fem omo fa nurses adwumem omo fa teachers adwumem alawo omo ntua kokofo akoto won koko wonye sika chese enyema basa wo kaka omo se friend say dollar rate no aba fem ena afen so fuel na fuel prices aba fem ene yegum interwekeje yempa nsemhu yempa se bi nkwase asem bia mo ka se mo ba create jobs mo create na youth ni nya binye mo ate ana anya sa de we ebesi asori mo so no mo ba becheche ya aboyen yen ne mfa ye ho ye beka mo promise fulfill your promise
ube lusunti una mo a ena we nya bi omo kai o ena omo we delegate na we nyansani na we bisa so omo na omo ne ho anom delegate for Kennedy ba oka jam say vote for me as an independent candidate ana me bisa me say Kennedy Japan ba obeka kire mo say mu vote man as independent candidate ana da bi wo say mu vote man as NPP ni ana meboa e no nam no say NPP say ya kronfo no nam no say NPP say na say election kra na ye wi amu no amu nya den no be ba beka Sankwa siade no honorable this time it won't fly you me come mama adaka me nim baby say Udie Emfa and Timba Omia don't contact me you people sa de anu be jai mutie Timba Omia tie for no be jai ya ka tira mo se mu do the tie ones mu de do mo tie no Muni senior Dennis no monkoye no enu here for the media no in down there but say airway we super ya boma kwasi ampafo bi asabe ye ni baby da e ba betre ye de omonye wasia udi flag bearer echi oso wo 270 houses so say den so no unya baby na we bi aduma yet we is pulling agent man no uni aduma ye wasia sem na mugina ho amudi no amfa me ka kire mo ne now let's look at this 2023, we could have won that election easily. Let me tell you something. The NDC who is in power today, the NDC who is in power today, not on many that's what we win in 2024. Make catch them play. I've talked. I mean, like we have friends in there. They never thought so we winning. John Mahama was actually shocked when Baumia called him. He was shocked. And untina the ana woma plan says woman we no mo be no even though say no mo we no they still carried it through nanka we we ni abayeshi police station where we ni abaye lutu but they looted the country Ghana. What did Kennedy do? You enter into a race that was already running. You were accepted. As a matter of fact, you became the second favorite after Dr. Baumia. Any reasonable, sensible person, what does that tell you? I have a future. If I lay my cards and I play my cards well, I could be the leader of this party. And may God help me to become president of Japan. Nyansani biasa na nkobejene. Utuwe.